Every AI agent diagram looks like tangled spaghetti wires, so let's untangle it.
3 protocols get agents talking: MCP, A2A, and A2A. Same skeleton, wildly different jobs. Your request lands in an MCP host, Claude Desktop, cursor, or a custom app. The outside data? It spins up an MCP client, which crosses the MCP protocol to reach an MCP server. The MCP server pries open the external tools chest, DB links to Postgres, QL, API links to GitHub, file links to Google Drive.
Agent to tools, that's it, that's MCP. Now meet A2A.
Agent A needs help, so it queries the agent registry, a filing cabinet of agent cards describing what each agent can do.
It pulls one out. Found my agent buddy, Agent B.
Agent A hands the task to Agent B.
They volley, more info needed, like a tennis rally. B finishes, holds up the results trophy, chips it back. Agent to agent, gossip included.
ACP is the rest-loving cousin. Agent A reads a static metadata manifest, fires a REST/HTTP request at Agent B, who replies sync or async. Either way, results flow back to Agent A.
Breaking news, August 2025, ACP joins forces with A2A. The green ACP mascot merges into A2A with a comic poof, tossing its rivalry sign in a trash can marked discontinued. Rebellion, 5 months.
Watch one request travel the stack: MCP Host, MCP Client, MCP Server, then external tools for data, and over to Agent A, who taps Agent B via A2A to finish the job.
2 protocols survive: MCP for agent to tools, A2A for agent to agent, and they work great together in one workflow. That's the whole tangle, untangled.
So remember, 1. MCP connects your agent to tools, databases, APIs, files. 2. A2A connects your agent to other agents via agent cards. 3. ACP was REST-flavored A2A, folded into it in 2025. 4. Just know MCP and A2A, and pair them up.